Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to modify a Spectrum 48K to output composite video instead of the original analog RF. Modifying a Spectrum to output composite video sounds difficult, but actually this mod is very simple. The Spectrum already produces a composite video signal internally, which feeds the RF modulator input. The modification essentially bypasses the modulator circuit entirely and no external changes are required, since RF have the same plug type as composite video. All we need is a screwdriver, soldering iron and solder, a tweezer, solder wick or desoldering pump, wire cutter and a short piece of wire. So let's open the Spectrum and remove the mainboard from the case. Here on the top left, we have the RF modulator. Let's open it by removing the top lid. To disconnect the modulator, we need to desolder the two wire connections from the PCB to the modulator. Now we need to clear the holes from solder. Here, on the top left corner, there's a resistor connected to the RF plug. I'm going to desolder this connection, moving the top of the resistor away from the socket entirely. There's no need to remove it. Now I'm going to pass this piece of wire through the extra hole and solder it to the center connection of the RF socket. Then the other end of the wire is soldered here. Now let's close the modulator lid, trapping the two disconnected leads inside. Let's place the mainboard on the case. Reconnect the keyboard membrane and close the case. Now it's just a matter of connecting the Spectrum Tool monitor with composite video and enjoy. And there you have it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Until next video.